in most instances, you'll use MP3s, WAV, or OGG file extensions. But this is a thorough list of all the file extensions you can use in a Unity project. Like I mentioned before in the course, you can add multiple components on every game object. And guess what? Audio is also a component, and you can add it to any game object. So let's go ahead and create a folder where we'll insert our audio files. So go into Assets, and then right-click, Create, Folder, and then call this one Audio, which typically the main camera when you start a project has. And also your first-person controller has an audio listener as well. But one thing you need to understand, it is important to know that if you can't hear the sounds when you hit play, it is most likely because you don't have an audio listener. You can't also have two audio listeners. So right now we have one with our first-person controller, but there's also one in the main camera, which is right now invisible. So if you have warnings that you have two audio listeners, basically remove it from the camera here. So what we're going to do is remove it right away, because we already have one inside of our first-person character here.